So today I'm in my shop and I'm putting on this trailer tongue. This trailer is just one of those old Harbor Freight trailers. We pulled it with an ATV and a UTV and the lawnmowers, and it had a 1 7/8 inch ball on it. That hitch was a nightmare. It would always stick, so I wanted to replace it anyway. I wanted something a little more beefy like this though, so I put this A-frame type hitch on there. Now this one is 5,000 gross and 700 pound tongue weight, and it's meant to be welded on. But since this already had all the holes pre-drilled in the front of the trailer, I just drilled some holes in the tongue to attach it. Now I may come back later if I ever want to put this on the street and weld it on and add safety chains, do all of that. But I just use this at the property to pull this trailer around, and this is going to work awesome. It's got a really easy hitch to pop open the tongue. I mean, this one works way better. It's got a really strong spring in it. I mean, this thing is just nice. Our other one, I had to jiggle it, mess with it, had a really weak spring. I was always having to push down on it, and I just got tired of it. And this is a 2-inch ball. So we only had one 1 7/8 inch trailer on this entire property, and it was this. Everything else was 2-inch ball or bigger. Very happy to have this on here, and this was very easy to drill those holes. I mean, it's gonna work out really well. If this is the kind of trailer hitch you're looking for and you're not exceeding 5,000 pounds, I definitely recommend it. It's a great trailer tongue. And like I said, you're probably gonna wanna weld it, and I may do that later, but for now, those 3 bolts on each side, that's more than enough to carry around a 1,000-pound trailer. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.